A warm welcome to this session of Electrician Trade. Today, we are going to see fasten, jumper in pin, shackle and suspension type insulators. At the end of this session, you will be able to select the pin type, shackle type and suspension type insulators. Fasten, jumper in cross arm of pole with pin insulator. Fasten the jumper in shackle type insulator. Fasten the jumper in suspension type insulator. Electrician toolkit and equipments required. Insulated combination plier 200 mm. DE double-ended spanner set 6 mm to 25 mm. Adjustable spanner 25 mm. Wooden or nylon mallet half kg. Ladder 6 meters long. Wire stripper 150 mm. Suspension type insulators, pin type insulators, binding wire 14 SWG aluminium 5 meters. ACSR conductor as required. Safety belt and rope, clamp, nut and bolt, shackle type insulator, pin type insulator. Before getting into the practice, let us know some basic information on pin, shackle and suspension type insulators. Pin insulators are used for holding the line conductors on straight running of poles. It is secured to cross arm on the pole. There is a groove on the top of the insulator for housing the conductor. These are used in LT lines. Shackle insulators. Shackle insulators are generally used for terminating on corner poles. These insulators are used in overhead lines for low and medium voltage lines only. These insulators are used in both horizontal position and vertical position. Suspension type insulators. Suspension type insulators are used with steel towers for HT lines. They consist of a number of porcelain discs connected in series by metal links in the form of a string. Each disc is designed for a low voltage of 11 kilovolts. The suspension provides greater flexibility to the line. Now, let us start our exercise. Now we are going to practice our first task, that is, fasten the jumper in pin insulator. Check the tools and materials for their good condition. First, place the ladder on the pole and ask a helper to hold the ladder. Fasten the safety belt and climb up on the ladder with the guide rope and spanner set. Position yourself and tie the safety belt with the cross arm. Drop one end of the guide rope down and ask the helper to tie the pin insulator assembly to the rope end. Lift the rope up with pin insulator assembly. Fix the pin insulator assembly to the cross arm. Lift the ACSR conductor, that is, aluminium conductor steel reinforced, from the ground with the help of guide rope. Place the ACSR conductor between the pole and the pin insulator. Place the ACSR conductor in the slot provided on the top of the pin insulator and ask the helper to stretch the conductor with the help of a wire stripper. Take about 2 meter long binding wire and hold from the middle. Bind a minimum of 2 turns around the pin insulator neck. Make a tight knot on the neck of the insulator with the free ends of the binding wire. Wrap both ends of the binding wire tightly over the line conductor on both sides of the pin insulator and in opposite turns to each other. Bind the binding wire on the neck of the insulator if the deviation or bend comes on the conductor. Bind the wire tight enough without any gap and finish it after giving about 15 turns on both sides. Cut the extra wire and round off the raised ends around the conductor. After finishing the work properly, get down from the pole safely. Our second task is to fasten the jumper in shackle insulator. Check the tools and materials for their good condition. Place the ladder on the pole and ask the helper to hold the ladder. Fasten the safety belt and climb up on the ladder with the guide rope and spanner set. Position yourself and tie the safety belt with the cross arm. Drop one end of the guide rope down and ask the helper to tie the shackle insulator assembly and C-clamp to the rope end. Lift the rope up with the insulator assembly. Fix the shackle insulator over the cross arm with the help of C-clamp. Make the loop of the conductor around the groove of the shackle insulator and leave about half a meter free end. Take the 14 SWG aluminium binding wire and bind the line conductor and free the end together tightly without any gap with loop around the insulator up to the length of about 100 to 150 mm as shown. Complete the required turns of binding wire and twist the extra free end of the conductor towards the insulator. After finishing the work properly, get down from the pole safely. Our third task is fasten the jumper in suspension type insulator. Check the tools and materials for its good condition. Place the ladder on the pole and ask a helper to hold the ladder. Fasten the safety belt and climb up on the ladder with the guide rope and spanner set. Get the suspension insulator assembly from the helper with the help of the guide rope and fix it to the cross arm on the pole. Lift the ACSR conductor, that is aluminium conductor steel reinforced, from the ground with the help of guide rope. Drop down one end of the guide rope and ask the helper to tie the conductor properly with the rope and carefully lift the conductor up to cross arm. Arrange the conductor properly between the two clamps provided in the insulator assembly and fix the conductor by tightening the bolt and nut of the clamps securely. Take 14 SWG aluminium binding wire and bind the conductor with the insulator assembly tightly without any gap. After finishing the work properly, get down from the pole safely. Recap. In this session, we have learned how to select the pin type, shackle type and suspension type insulators. Fasten jumper in cross arm of pole with pin insulator. Fasten the jumper in shackle type insulator. Fasten the jumper in suspension type insulator. We must carry out these process with utmost care and safety precautions. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.